In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pivot tables and visualize data on Monday.com. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your home area, then choose the workspace where you want this to live. From there, use the plus icon to create something new and choose board. Give your board a clear action-oriented name so everyone knows what it's for at a glance. Next, set the privacy that fits your needs, whether this board is for your team, a smaller group, or a limited audience. You'll also be prompted to select what you're managing. Pick the category closest to your workflow so the default structure aligns with your use case. When that's set, create the board. You'll land on a fresh table. Update the first item's name to match a real task or deliverable. Assign an owner by clicking into the person column and selecting the teammate responsible. Then set the status to reflect where the work stands. Keeping statuses consistent will pay off later when you visualize the data. Now let's prepare the fields that make pivot style summaries useful. Use the plus button to add a new column, search for hours, and select it. This gives you a numeric field where you can log time or effort. Click into the row and enter the hours for your first item. Add another column the same way and search for project, then select it. In the row, type the project name this item belongs to. With personalized status, hours, and project in place, you've got the core ingredients for grouping and totaling your work. Add a few more items or update existing ones so you have a small set of data to summarize. Keep hours in a consistent unit, decimals are fine, and use a standard naming convention for projects to avoid duplicates that fragment your totals. To visualize, use the plus icon at the top to add a view and pick chart. In the setup panel, choose hours as the value to summarize and set the aggregation to sum. Then choose how you want to group the data. Group by project to compare total hours across initiatives, or group by person to see workload distribution. Pick a chart type that suits the story you want to tell. Bar charts are great for side-by-side comparisons, while pie charts quickly show proportions. Adjust colors and labels for clarity and give the chart a descriptive name. Save the view. It will update automatically as your table changes. With that, you've built a simple pivot-style foundation and a live visualization inside Monday.com. Clear structure in the board, and instant insights in the chart.